Welcome back, friends. In this class we are going to discuss about jQuery scrolling event, you can say, or scrolling position. So what's the scroll position? As we created in our last class, scroll down. So in this class we will discuss about scrolling position. So for creating scrolling position or scroll, you need to just create a div inside the body tag. Div start, div close. Inside this we are going to create a class is equal to, you can give any name. I am just giving main. So just call this inside css dot main, and the width of this should be something like 800 pixel. The height should be just something like 650 pixel. The background color should be purple, and that's all. Control S, run in Chrome or launch in Chrome. So you can see we have just a div here, and inside this div we are going to create a text area. Text area start, text area close. So inside this we need to copy some text, or at first you need to define some column or rows for this. So for defining rows you need to write rows and equal sign double quotation. Inside this you can give the number, for example 40 rows. And for columns you have cols, cols, equal to, I'm just giving something like 50 cols. Control S, you can come here and refresh. So you can see this just the text area, and inside this we need some text. Go to Microsoft Word, you need to copy this text and just come back. You need to paste this inside this text area. This the starting and this the closing tag. Paste 2 times or 3 times. Just Control S. Now come back here and refresh. You can see we have some text inside this, and this the scroll bar. Now you need to just create one more div here for just getting the position of this scroll. Just come here after the text area. Inside this div we are going to create another div start, div close, and I'm just going to create a class inside this is equal to for example get underscore position. So this is the name for this class, and here you are just writing click to get position, or simply you can write here getting position. And you can save this. Just come inside css here, for example dot get underscore position. So we are going to call this. The width of this should be something like 200 pixel. The height should be something like 30 pixel. Text align should be center, and background should be something like yellow, and text color should be just, you can say, red color. Save this and come here, refresh. You can see getting position. If you want to see the hand option on this, you can just say cursor pointer. You can see the value is pointer. Now we can save and come here, refresh. Now you can see the hand option. You want to just scroll down, and you can just get the scroll position here. For example, I'm just going to remove this text align center from here, and you can save this. Just come back and refresh. So we'll just get the scroll position here in this area. For getting the scroll position, you need to just come inside your jQuery and just insert the basic syntax like always. Here inside the first one, first parenthesis, inside the single quotation, we are going to just target the text area, and here you are just saying scroll, not click. When someone just scroll, you are saying. So when someone scroll inside this, we are just running the function, and inside the curly braces, or you can say you can create a variable, or without variable you can just create a variable. For example, variable get underscore val is equal to, you can just insert basic syntax here, and you can just say here inside this we are using this selector, and here is scroll top element, this selector with scroll top. And in next line here, again insert the basic syntax, round bracket, dot, another round bracket, semicolon. So inside this single quotation you need to insert, and we are just calling dot get underscore position as we create it here. You can see get underscore position. So we are just calling this here inside this, and here we are just writing HTML. So when someone click or not click, scroll the text area. So here we are just saying when someone scroll the text area, so we have to call get position class here. So we are just getting the position through HTML. We have called here, and inside this you are just going to insert a single quotation. For example, scrolling position, and here you can put a plus and the variable name. For example, get underscore val, you can see here. Now we can save and just come here, refresh, just focus on the right side, scroll down, you can see 75, 133, 242, 450 and 632, and the last is 1395. So it is just telling you the scroll position. For example, now it is on just 43, 368, just like this. So like this you can get the scroll position inside jQuery very easily, you can see. So I hope that you are understand, it's clear for you. Once again I'm telling, watch all the videos to practice. Have a nice time and see you.